Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we're talking how to use a programming language called Golang or Go. So yeah, this is the website. If you want to download Go, then just open the website, which is at go.dev. Then press download, and then if you're using Windows, then get this one. If you're using Mac, get this one, and if you're using Windows, get this one. And if you want to compile it to source, it gets that one. So yeah, after installing Go, you should go into VS Code or whatever code editor that you're using, and then you have to go to the extensions and install this, which Go language supports. Extension for VS Code. Alright, so now we have to start coding in Golang. So the first thing we have to write is package main. Because why not? So then we have to import our libraries. So import FMT, which is what we use for writing text onto the screen. So it's just used for writing text onto the screen. But when we save it, you can see that it disappears because the library is never used. But whatever. Let's just make a main function already. So I have to write func main. So that I could put things inside the func main. So this func main, in order to put, so in this func main, I'm going to say fmt.println. So I'm just gonna make a string, and you can see that it automatically imports FMT since we're using it now. Okay, so you could write go run main.go, and now it runs our main.go file. Alright, so next thing we have to learn about is variables. So also to make technical, we're going to write these two slashes. So the first one is integers or just int. So integers are like numbers. So the way to declare variables, I have to write var, and then the name of the variable. So like num1, and then the type of the variable is int is equal to 5. And you can see that here it says num1 was never used. I'm going to say hello plus num1. Run the code. It says mismatch type string and int. So let me just so yeah, instead of doing that, we could just write hello comma num1. So now it says hello 5. And a simpler way to declare variables, let me just tag this out by writing num1 colon equals 5. So in this case, it's gonna automatically, guess the type of the variable. So if I run it, that's the same thing. So now I could just, they string this type, so say string. So strings are pieces of text. I'm gonna say stir1. So yeah, just write that. I'll accept that. So I'm just gonna write that. I'll accept that. If you want to write it in this way, that's just the same thing. Except that instead of writing, except that you replace this int with stir1, or replace this int with string. Okay, so if I say hello stir1. Oh, now it says num1 is never used. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So it says hello Isa because that's what's in the string. Next type of variable is called boolean. It's either true or false. That's it. I'm gonna say bool1 would be equal to true. Now let me just change this to bool1. So here, that's how we're true. We let this boolean to false. Then it says hello false. Alright, so now time to learn about if statements. So let's, tag out all of these. So here I'm going to say is, it's going to say var1 is equal to true. So I have to write if, and the condition is going to be var1 is equals to true. Also, if this is equals, you can use greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, or less than or equals to, and not equals to. So let's say if var equals to true, then let's call var1. So if var1 is equal to true, we're going to say fmt is our println var1 is true. So now if I run the code, it says var1 is true. But if var1 is false, then nothing's going to happen. But we can add an else statement. Else. So we're going to say else fmt.println. That was going to be println, not print. var1 is not. var1 is false. Now it says var1 is false. So like if we use var1 to anything else, nothing happens again. So yeah, we could also add else if. So it gives that var1 to a number. So yeah, if var1 is 1, if it's equal to 2, so I'm going to say var1 is 2. Here, it's going to say var1 is not 2. So now, if it's 1, it says it's not 2, but if it's 2, it says that var1 is 2. So now if what? So if we set it to 3, this says that var1 is not 2. So I'm like, so I'm just going to add an else if statement. So we're going to say else if var1 is equal to 4. fmt.println var1 is 4. So if I set var1 to 4, here it says var1 is 4. So yeah, that's about it for if statements. So last we're going to learn about is how to use functions. So it's going to say func. So it's going to say like fn1. I'll say fmt.println. This is a function. So in here, I'm going to activate the function by writing fn1. So now if I run the file, it says this is a function. It also has arguments to our function. So like if I want to add a name, argument, so I'm going to say string name, or actually you have to write out like name string. So we'll just say hello, comma name. So now we have to write the name argument, so it's going to be, so now it says echo Isa, because the name argument is Isa. So anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe, so bye. Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn about arrays and slices in Golang. So arrays and slices, they're both used to store multiple pieces of data. We're going to start with arrays. To get to the array, so we're going to say var array name. We're going to call it ages. So then for the type, we're going to or the square brackets. So I have to put the length of the array here. It's going to be 3. Then the type, so int. Then put the actual array. I'm gonna say like 5, 30, 20, 10. Well, so I'm just going to write var ages. Just use the automatic type inference. Yeah, which is just 4 because, you know, why not? So, I want to say fmt.println ages. So let's do 0. I'm gonna print the first item. So let's put this in the for loop. For I equals 0. Inference equals 0. I is less than length of ages. I plus plus. fmc.println ages I 5, 30, 20, 10. As you can see, those are exactly the values of our array. Alright, so yeah. We can also, have slices. So slices are like arrays without specified lengths. Let's go over how arrays can be strings. Anyways, we have like var, final product is equal to 0. Whoops, I meant the inference equals 0. So final product plus equals ages I. And so in the end, fmt.println final product. 70. So we can also find the median. So let's say if I is equal to length ages, then final product is equal to final product divided by length of ages. So yeah, that's just the formula for finding the mean. I meant mean. Length ages minus 1. Length ages minus 1. 16. The median age routine is age 16. If we change this one to like 99, the median age is going to go up to 33. So instead of just saying the final product, let's say the final product is, and the final product. It's not going to work because this is an integer, this is a string. So we're going to import, we're also going to import strconv. So here I'm going to write strconv.itoa. What does that do? Well, it turns into a string, and you can see format ints. So now if we run it, the final product is 16. So slices are just arrays without this number over here. So yeah, if we run the program, it's gonna run the same, but you also append to it. I'm gonna change this. Find ages dot. What I meant ages. fmt.println ages dot append I meant append ages. Oh no, what are we on append? Let's append like 12. Alright, so let's append 12. And let's run. It shows us the list. It's a slice. So if I say just a 5. Well, anyways, I did not do that. So yeah, it adds it to the list. But if I want it to like stay like that, then I'm going to say ages is equal to append ages 12. So now the final product reduced to 19. So yeah, that's how to use arrays and slices in Golang. That's the today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. So bye.